Okay guys, so how can you change a disc on your angle grinder like this, no matter if it's with a wire or on a battery and you have a disc on? Obviously it spins in all the ways. The only thing that you need to do is find in the back the button, which looks like this, and you need to press it inside. When you pressed it inside, hold it there and turn the disc until it's gonna lock in. When the disc is locked in, you just turn the disc counterclockwise and it's gonna be open. See? You don't need any strength or you don't need any specific tools, whatever. Then you remove this part. You can take off the disc, put in the disc that you plan to use, and tighten it again with your hand like this. Press the button again to lock it. Spin until it is locked, and then just tight, holding the disc, not disc cover itself, but the whole disc, and tighten it a little bit. Don't tighten it too powerful. It is not necessary. You don't need any tools, whatever. Just make sure that it's centered and aligned. And yeah, do that a bit and it's gonna be very fine to go.